Do you ever wonder what diet is best for you if your goal is sustainable weight loss, or what style of eating is going to work best for your body? Well, then stay tuned for this video because I'm going to explain how to discover the best diet for you if your goal is permanent weight loss. Now, my name is Krista Elizabeth and I help busy professional women to permanently transform their body, double their energy, and feel better without missing out on delicious food. So if you're wondering how to discover what is the best diet for you if your goal is permanent weight loss, then stay tuned. So here's the truth. There is no one diet that's best for everyone. There are so many different variables that will determine what is the best way for you to eat. And also, this will change throughout your life, dependent on what's going on in your body from a biochemistry perspective. And this can also change according to the seasons. Also, your heritage or your genetics is also going to play a role. So, for example, someone who comes from the Northern Hemisphere, like maybe you have a Northern European descent, like I do, we are generally going to sometimes, and not in all cases, tolerate dairy better or do better with more fats and less carbohydrates in our diet. And even this can change based on what's going on inside of our body from a biochemistry perspective. Say someone from the Southern Hemisphere, like maybe from India, they will often do better with more carbohydrates in their diet because they're coming from a warmer climate. So your heritage and your genetics will definitely play a role in what style of eating is going to work best for you. And then when you find that style of eating, you'll find that weight loss becomes so much easier. Another factor is the seasons. So in the summer, our body will absorb lighter foods more efficiently. So salads and soups and more carbohydrates. Whereas in the winter, our body will absorb the heavier foods, like heavier meats, like lamb and beef or stews, those heavier foods. It will absorb more effectively. So this can change according to season as well. And different times in our life based on how much stress our body is under, or different factors can determine whether we're gonna do better on a higher carbohydrate diet or a higher protein diet, a higher fat diet. So really the best thing you can do is really to hire a professional such as a nutritionist to really help you crack the code on this process. Because once you figure out what diet works best for you, it's just amazing how much easier weight loss can become and how much better you're gonna feel, how much more satisfied you're gonna feel, how all of a sudden you can just eliminate cravings and you can really lose weight in a sustainable way without feeling hungry all the time or uncomfortable, right? Because that is the key to sustainable weight loss. If you are hungry all the time or if you're not feeling good, then it's gonna be really difficult for you to sustain the program. So if you are someone who is frustrated with all of the conflicting information available about how to lose weight and keep it off for good, how to double your energy and really feel better, then I am offering free 10-minute calls to answer your 2 top health, fitness, or weight loss questions. To book a call, there's gonna be a link somewhere around this video. Click the link, it's gonna direct you to my Facebook Messenger. There, just say hi, and then we can book a time that works best for both of us. So again, there's gonna be a link somewhere around this video. Click the link, it's gonna direct you to my Facebook Messenger. Say hi, and we can come up with a time that works best for both of us. I look forward to connecting with you and learning more about you. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is gonna come up on the screen here. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day. Bye. Hello, my friend. Be sure to check out the videos that I've hand selected for you here, and also subscribe to my channel here. And if there's any video topics in regards to natural health and fitness that you would like me to speak about, then please let me know in the comments below. And also just say hi. I would love to meet you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.